Hey guys, welcome to my video. We're gonna be doing pancakes, but in a special way. We're gonna be picking out, me and my mama are gonna be picking out some cards.
We're gonna do a challenge, right?
Yeah, they're gonna be a Christmas pancake challenge.
All right, so go ahead and pick one.
This one. It's a glove.
Ooh. So Samia has to make a pancake that looks like this.
Okay, Mommy, your
My
turn. What is it?
I think it's a cherry leaf tree or something.
It's a... Oh, I thought you meant...
Do you take the challenge, young lady?
Yes!
This is yours. What colors do you need?
I need purple and white. This one and white.
So I think you might want to start with what's going to be on the bottom, but then we're going to flip it. So you probably want to make your star or your
Snowflake. You'll have to do that one for me, I think.
Let's try it out. That's a big one.
Yeah.
Can you close it for me? Okay, so I'm probably going to make these for Samia since she's a little scared of the heat. Which is fine.
Just fine. I'll help you. Don't worry. Mitten.
Is that good?
Yeah. You just gotta fill it in. Just go crazy.
Uh-oh, I think I ran out of
Is this purple?
That one's brown.
No, this one doesn't look brown. It's purplish.
Yeah.
You can cover
Put your hands so close, princess.
Okay, you can cover. I've seen Ryan do this, so you can cover the snowflake too.
Should I add another color instead?
Yeah, let's add some pink. This is pink?
It's red.
Oh, let's add some this.
Orange?
Wait, where's the pink?
Where's my pink? You're getting too close to the edge of it.
Let's use some.
Let me just give me one more turn. Oh, turquoise?
Yeah, turquoise.
There you go.
Okay.
Thank you. Ooh. This is cool.
Yeah, it's pretty
Very
good.
cute, right?
Yeah, it's a cute color. Now color.
Ah!
Let's cover the snowflake with that.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Put your hands on the pen. Flipper. You think it's ready to flip?
Yeah.
Let's see.
I'm
I
scared.
think it's still ready. Ah! I just tore it. Okay, let's wait a little longer. You ain't eat it all? Doesn't matter how ugly it is?
No.
It's ugly mittens now, not ugly sweaters.
Ugly sweaters is next. We're gonna go back over there to pick another one after. It's okay, Mama. I don't care if it's tiered, because you always make tiered ones. And that's okay. That happened in Ryan, too, before.
Yeah.
Yeah. That happened before. So it's okay, Mama. I don't
There's
care.
your beautiful mitten.
It looks so gorgeous. It really looks gorgeous, Mama.
Yeah. Daddy's gonna have to judge which one's the best. I'm gonna make them all. Okay, next is gonna be this cherry blossom tree. I don't think that's gonna work, but we're gonna try.
Can I help you, Mama?
Yes, you're gonna be my color assistant.
Okay, color assistant. Oh my goodness.
Okay, it's prettier on the other side. Don't get so close, baby.
You'll have to. Well, we'll have to put all the pancakes that are mine on top of every other pancake. So, guys, mine was a fail, kind of. I want to eat it already.
Smells delicious. You want to try it?
Yeah. Hot.
Is it yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna need brown and red, please.
Brown. And red.
Just had them two and okay?
Oh, I'm gonna put
Okay, brown. Actually, the red first.
red first.
Yes, please.
Get it up.
Make a few little dots that will connect the tree in theory.
I'm gonna eat some of that pancake, alright.
I like it.
Mm-hmm. Yummy. Okay, I think it's time for some brown. This is brown.
Mm-hmm. Here we go.
Like a line, Mom, don't forget. Oh, you're doing well. I need some of that more of that pancake. I'll try your pancake. Okay. Ooh, that looks like a turkey.
That is totally gonna break.
Yeah, that's totally like. Can I put some detail on there?
The details on the other side. You can help me on the next one.
Okay, I'll close it for you.
Turn this up a little bit. La 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 la.
Mama, can I have some of that pancake?
Yes, ma'am. Here's my turn.
Yummy.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, baby pancake.
I'm gonna eat that. Yummy. No, that's not beautiful. Not beautiful at all.
Okay, so next time we need to buy bigger pans, I think, and get a flat surface. That way Samia's not gonna accidentally burn herself on the edge here. Alright, this is our first time.
Doesn't matter.
This
Doesn't
looks like
matter.
a crazy cactus or maybe Ursula.
Ursula? Yeah, that's better. That's better with Ursula. Ursula's a lot of heads.
A lot of legs. Right?
Yeah, a lot of legs. Hey, your plate, girl.
Don't
You're
pick
not-
another card. See what we're gonna make next.
Well, I'm gonna pick mine.
Have two more. Whew. This first is yours.
I got a mistletoe.
That is so cute.
Do you pick one? Snowman.
Snowman. Okay. Okay.
Ow.
Let's see.
I'm gonna eat it go first because you're gonna take longer. Cause that has so much details on there. Ooh.
Alright. You want me to go first?
Yeah, because you're gonna take longer.
Okay.
Wait, hold on.
We have to do the details first, right? We still have brown?
Yeah, we still have brown.
Is this brown or is this brown?
No, that one's purple.
Okay.
So, Mama, you should probably make the outlines first.
Ooh. Pretty eyes.
Pretty eyes, yes.
Button. Huh? Scarf.
You don't have to make it exactly like it, Mama.
No.
You know, just make it however you want.
And nose.
Mama, just look at my shirt.
Oh, it's a pretty one.
Put some lines on it. Put the detail lines. some detail lines on it.
Oh no, I covered the nose.
I'll just cover the whole thing. Just go crazy.
I don't know if it's a little better.
It's too big.
It's too big.
Yeah. We should have got
What
two.
color should I make the hat?
I think you should make it pink.
Turquoise? Do we still have turquoise in there?
Yeah. This purple and turquoise. Just close that. Make the little dot purple. No, make it white.
Okay, that's my
Hat.
interpretation of this.
You did a bad job.
Hey! Rude!
Wow, Mama, look how big that is. Oh my goodness, it's stuck in my face.
Big enough to eat. Should we let cook a little more?
Idiot. Pounding it never works.
This looks wet, really wet, so we're gonna let it cook a little more.
Can I eat some of my pancake? I want to eat some of your pancake.
Okay.
Like a little piece.
There's a bug.
Bug?
It looks like a spider now. Ew.
I should little piece.
Turn this thing. Stop back, please. Yay! First success! Yay!
I'm making
I
like
think I
a
win.
turtle.
Thank you very much.
No, you don't.
That's so cute.
It's a turtle. Boing, 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 boing.
Turtle.
Turtle.
A little longer. So yeah, guys, I think I win.
No, you don't. Oh, look, there's a little red on there, so you made a little dog.
Oh yeah.
Cute.
Cute, cute, cute.
Mom.
What are you making again?
Mistletoe.
Ah, no, I just poured it. So how was your experience making these pancakes into something that we recognize? You liked it? Want some syrup?
Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh.
No, just like that?
Mhm.
Some whipped cream?
Nuh-uh.
Really?
Uh-uh.
Okay.
What the?
Well, thank you guys for watching. This was fun to make. We need to get a little better at it, obviously.
Yeah.
We need different bottles that hold a little more because we ran out of all the colors.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, the bell button, and the notification button so you don't miss another video we make. Bye.